Did you know that elephants are the biggest land animals in the world? Yes, it's true. When it comes to size, no other land creature can compete with these gentle giants. The largest African elephant on record weighed in at an astonishing 10 tons. That's roughly equivalent to 10 small cars. On average, an African elephant stands at about 10 to 13 feet tall, dwarfing other large animals like the rhinoceros or hippopotamus. Now, not all elephants are created equal in terms of size. Their Asian counterparts are slightly smaller, averaging around 8 to 10 feet in height. But don't be fooled, even a small Asian elephant is a formidable creature, weighing in at about 5 tons. So, when we talk about size in the animal kingdom, elephants truly are in a league of their own. So the next time you think of something big, think of elephants. Ever pondered who the brainy beasts of the animal kingdom are? Well, let's talk elephants. You might know them as the largest land animals, but did you know they also have the biggest brains? That's right. An elephant's brain weighs in at a whopping 5 kilograms, that's over 11 pounds. But what does this mean for their intelligence? Well, the size of an elephant's brain contributes significantly to their cognitive abilities. These majestic creatures have an exceptional memory, which allows them to remember friends and enemies and even recall distant watering holes. This memory plays a crucial role in their survival, especially during periods of drought or scarcity. Moreover, elephants have been observed displaying behaviors that suggest a level of intelligence similar to primates and cetaceans. They can problem solve, cooperate, and even show self-awareness. So, next time you think of intelligent animals, remember the elephant's mighty brain and their impressive cognitive capabilities. Now you know why they say an elephant never forgets. Did you know elephants can live as long as humans? It's a fascinating fact that these majestic creatures have a lifespan comparable to ours. Elephants typically live between 60 and 70 years. However, some have been known to reach the ripe old age of 80 or even 90. Just like us, elephants experience the effects of aging. Their teeth wear down, they may slow down a bit, but their wisdom and experience often make them leaders in their herds. One of the oldest known elephants was an Asian elephant named Lin Wang. He was a war veteran who later spent his days in a zoo in Taiwan. Lin Wang lived to be an impressive 86 years old. Another example is Dakshayani, an Asian elephant from India, who lived to be an astonishing 88. These examples just go to show, these gentle giants are not only long-lived, but also have rich, complex lives. It seems elephants truly do age like fine wine. Ever wondered what an elephant's trunk is for? Well, brace yourself for a fascinating journey into the world of these majestic creatures. An elephant's trunk is one of nature's most remarkable tools. It's not just a long nose, it's a multi-purpose appendage that plays a crucial role in the elephant's survival. First and foremost, it acts as a super sniffer. Elephants can smell water from miles away, even during the driest of seasons. This makes them excellent navigators in their often harsh environments. But that's not all. The trunk also serves as an essential tool for lifting and moving heavy objects, even those weighing several hundred pounds. Moreover, it's a social tool. Elephants use their trunks to greet each other, show affection, and even to console their companions. It's also an integral part of their feeding process, helping them to reach leaves high in trees or to draw water up for drinking. So, an elephant's trunk is much more than just a long nose. This versatile appendage is indeed a testament to the wonders of nature. Did you know elephants can feel joy, love, and even grief? This might sound surprising, but the emotional depth of elephants is astonishingly profound. These majestic creatures are known for forming deep familial bonds, and they express immense joy when reunited with loved ones. Stories of elephants dancing and trumpeting in excitement upon seeing their kin after a long time are not uncommon. Elephants also display a deep sense of empathy. They are known to comfort distressed members of their herd, extending their trunks and touching them in a gentle, soothing manner. And when it comes to grief, elephants mourn their dead. They stand vigil over the body of a fallen comrade, often touching the bones with their trunks, seemingly in remembrance. Even more astonishing, elephants have been observed to show signs of PTSD similar to humans, particularly when they've experienced traumatic events. Elephants truly are emotional beings just like us. These remarkable animals continue to astound us with their emotional intelligence and depth. Ever heard of a society run by females? Elephants have that. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of elephants and their matriarchal societies. In elephant herds, it's the oldest female, the matriarch, who calls the shots. Her wisdom, born out of experience, guides the herd's survival and success. The matriarch's responsibilities are vast, ranging from leading the herd to food and water sources to making crucial decisions during times of danger. Her memory, a testament to her age, assists the herd in navigating vast landscapes, remembering the locations of distant waterholes or recalling the scent of a potential predator. The matriarch's role extends beyond leadership. She's the heart and soul of the herd, providing emotional support and fostering a sense of community among the members. She offers comfort to the distressed, reprimands the unruly, and imparts survival skills to the young. This matriarchal structure is fundamental to the survival of elephant herds. In the elephant world, it's the females who lead the way. Did you know elephants are ecosystem engineers? That's right, these gentle giants do more than just amble about and munch on trees. They shape their environment in profound ways, playing a pivotal role in maintaining biodiversity. How, you ask? Well, it's a bit like gardening on a grand scale. When elephants eat, they often favor certain plants, which can change the plant community structure over time. This selective feeding promotes diversity by preventing a single species from dominating the landscape. Now, let's talk about their role as seed dispersers. When they consume fruits and plants, the seeds pass through their system and are deposited in a different location, often miles away, in a pile of natural fertilizer. This helps to spread plant species far and wide. Moreover, by creating paths through dense vegetation, they enable smaller animals to move around more easily, enhancing connectivity between animal communities. Elephants truly are architects of the animal kingdom. Did you know elephants communicate in ways humans can't hear? Yes, these fascinating creatures have a language of their own, and it's not just through trumpeting sounds that we often associate them with. Elephants actually use low-frequency sounds known as infrasounds to communicate with each other. These sounds are so low-pitched that they're beyond the range of human hearing. They can travel over long distances, allowing elephants to send messages to their kin miles away. But that's not all. Elephants also use a variety of nonverbal cues to express themselves. From the positioning of their ears and trunk to the subtle shifting of their weight, each movement tells a story, conveys an emotion, or sends a signal to other members of the herd. Even their foot stomping and ground vibrations are ways of sending messages. So while we may not understand every rumble, trumpet, or stomp, for elephants, each is a meaningful part of their complex communication system. Elephants have their own secret language. Did you know elephants are endangered? It's a sobering reality, but one we must face head-on. These gentle giants are under threat, and it's crucial to understand why. Two major factors contribute to the endangerment of elephants: poaching and habitat loss. Poaching, primarily for ivory, has been a long-standing issue. Despite international bans on ivory trade, the demand persists, leading to the brutal killing of thousands of elephants each year. The second threat, habitat loss, is equally devastating. As human activities expand, forests are cut down, grasslands are turned into farmland, and wetlands are drained for construction. This encroachment not only reduces the space elephants have to roam, but also diminishes their food supply, forcing them into conflict with humans. It's a grim picture indeed, but by raising awareness and taking action, we can help protect these magnificent creatures. Remember, the future of these magnificent creatures is in our hands. So, what have we learned about elephants? We've discovered that these gentle giants are the largest land animals with brains to match their size, making them some of the smartest creatures on Earth. Their lifespan nearly rivals ours, a testament to their resilience and adaptability. We've delved into the versatility of their trunks, which serve as a tool for feeding, bathing, and even expressing emotions. Speaking of emotions, elephants have complex feelings and social structures, living in matriarchal societies where female leaders guide their herds. We've also learned of their critical role in ecosystems, helping to maintain biodiversity. Their sophisticated communication methods, from trumpeting calls to subtle body language, remind us that animals have languages of their own. However, we mustn't forget the threats they face due to poaching and habitat loss, reminding us of our responsibility to protect them. Remember, every day is a good day to learn something new about our planet's amazing creatures.